In this video, I'm going to talk about 2 ways to detangle this damaged hair. Stay tuned and watch the video. Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are going to make use of the comb, and the first method I'll be talking about is water, spraying water on the hair. So this is the first method I'll be showing you to get rid of this matted hair. So I'm going to spray water on the hair and then comb it through, guys. And I just want you to know that this is not a deliberate thing. I didn't intentionally put this hair into this state. I was actually trying to do something and it ended up this way. I'm not so sure if this is going to get rid of the matted nature, but guys, let's give it a try. Let's see how it goes. The truth of the matter is the hair is so damaged that I don't even know where to start with. So I'll be just spraying the water at any point to see if I'll be able to comb that portion, because the hair is just damaged. So I'll just narrate how this hair ended up this way so that you will also not make the same mistake as I did. I was actually getting rid of a color that I used on the hair, and I searched for it on YouTube, and I was directed, like, I had some couple of videos that I checked on, and I saw this video. I decided to try it. The use of baking soda, shampoo, and then what? I think that is all. Baking soda and shampoo. I was supposed to use baking soda and shampoo. I think it's 3. Is it 3? I was supposed to put the hair in a warm water. What I did wrong was trying to wash the hair. Like, I was trying to get rid of something, so I was washing it, like washing a dress and squeezing as well. So is it baking soda is just something that you don't have to mess with. As I keep on washing the hair, thinking I was trying to get rid of the color from the hair quickly, not knowing I was damaging the hair. So as I tried this process for about 3 times, even though I was able to get rid of the dye from the hair, I ended up putting this hair in this state. So I did this, and then after the hair has dried, I wanted to comb the hair, and I just realized that I've really made a big mistake. Guys. I just don't want you to repeat the same mistake. That is why it's very necessary that when you watch a video and there was something that you don't understand, you have to ask the creator of the video, guys. So if I had asked before, maybe this hair wouldn't have been in this state, struggling to survive. So let's see how we're going to survive this hair, guys. But I just hope that this hair will surely survive. It will surely survive. Okay, so thank you, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. And then if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. So you can see that with the water spraying method, I've been able to comb some parts. In fact, I was working on this for a very long time, like for a while now, and I was able to get rid, in fact I was able to detangle part of the hair. So with the water spraying method, I've been able to detangle some of the hair, but the main problem is the one that looks like commando. Yeah, the rock one. That is the main problem, because I don't know how I'm going to work this to get the hair. In fact, to get the hair. Okay guys, so let me take you to the next method, and that is the application of aloe vera. I'm going to make use of aloe vera because of its slimy nature, slimy or slippery, whatever we call it, its nature, because this is going to help the hair to be very slimy and hence making it easy to comb. So I will use the aloe vera on the hair, but I will start with the frontal. The frontal is a mess, is really a mess, so I'll just grab this aloe vera on the frontal and see if I'll be able to pull some hair out. And from the video you can see that some hair are pulling out. That means the aloe vera is effective. So let's try this second method and see how we're going to go about this detangling thing. So guys, to be very honest with you, I don't know how long, how many months, how many weeks, how many years I'm going to spend on this hair only to detangle it. That is the truth. I don't know how long it's going to take me to finish detangling this hair. I just feel like the hair is already damaged, but these two methods are the best, especially with the aloe vera. It makes it very easy for you to comb. So look at it. After using the aloe vera on the frontal, this is how much hair I was able to pull out. If not for the commando nature of the hair, guys, trust me, your hair, like this hair, would have been a different story, guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. You can use this method to detangle your hair if it's not as rough as my hair here, and then come and share your results on the page. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.